Hi. So today's video is about how to be organized, how to be more organized. I saw this question pop up on Facebook, and I noticed that all the answers coming at the question were coming from a direction of sort of add this app and put this digital thing and I'm all for doing as much of our planning digitally. But I wanted to sort of give a new perspective to being organized and a system that I find works really well for me. So it begins actually with a meditation practice. And I know that's a shocker when people are trying to sort of squeeze more in the day and I'm saying take a moment out. But I'm talking just 5 minutes of sitting back and taking a deep breath in and deep breath out. And a few deep breaths like that with your eyes closed, and just to allow the mind to go to a place that's not our logical brain trying to figure it out, because I think we are so connected to so many different resources that can help us access a lot of ideas on how to get what we need to get done in the most efficient way. And by closing our eyes for a moment, we tend to access that area of our brain. And so I would recommend a sort of 5-minute daily practice of just pulling back. Of course, you can do it longer should you choose, but 5 minutes is enough to really get you started on a moment of pause and a reflection on the day. And you will find that new ideas will pop up, and ideas you wouldn't have even thought of, and maybe something you've forgotten. It has a chance to sort of come up to the surface. So that's the first thing I would bring into a how to be most organized system. The second is, when I was at college, we used to use these big calendars where they were so big we would put them, they covered the desk essentially, and we would put all the assignments we had due on there. So these days I'm using the same type of big calendar in a way where it's visible to me. So basically where you put it somewhere like in a hallway or somewhere where you're going to have to see it going in and out. So you have the big things that need to get done throughout the month and very visible, so that the brain can stay focused on these few tasks that really need to get done during the month. And so again, you're keeping the brain focused on what needs to get done, which means it can access ideas and ways to help you stay on the road to getting this accomplished in the most smooth and efficient and best way. And the third is a weekly review of the week. So that's where on Sunday evening, you sit down for a moment, and this one you can do digitally, where you just put out the week. So on Monday, this needs to get done. On Tuesday, this needs to get done. And here you would also include, your exercise routine or the things that you need to do that you'd like to also make sure are in your week. And that one, the digital, you get to review it every day at the end of the day, and you might have to move a few things around. But that's the one where you're actually, that's an ongoing moving target. And I think the combination of those three, a moment of pause, the main goals in front of you at eyesight, where you get to see them many times during the day, and the digital sort of review on a daily basis, I think that combo of those three works really well to be tip-top organized and for the process to be an enjoyable one as well, so that you're not coming from that overwhelm, because there's something really satisfying about getting the stuff that you need to get done, but also getting it done while holding on to the rhythm and to your enjoyment of how you want to have your life function. So I hope this is helpful. If it is, please share it with friends who you think might also enjoy this, and subscribe to the channel for more ideas and inspiration coming directly to your inbox. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.